Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar. Today we are going to discussing civics from class 8 chapter 3, which is why we need a parliament. In this chapter today we are going to discussing the topic, which is who are the people in parliament. Dear children, Parliament represent the nation where representatives come from all sides of country. Parliament now has more and more people from different backgrounds. Okay, different background means representatives or MPs belongs to urban and rural areas. Also, he or she belongs to regional parties like Bharatiya Jan Sabha, Bharatiya Jan Vikas Party, Bharatiya Kranti Sena, etc. Dear children, all MPs express their view in the parliament. There has been increase in political political participation from Dalit and backward classes. Therefore, numbers of voter which increase in last 30 years. Okay, so students, look here. In this table, given percentage of population who voted in Lok Sabha election in a different years from 1951 to 2004 given in your book. Okay. So, dear children, some seats are reserved in parliament for SC or ST. Similarly, there a reservation of seats for women. According to delimitation commission in 2008 412 seats which 412 seats are general and 84 seats are reserved for SC. Okay, and 47 seats for ST. Getting student? Okay, now you will do total 3, 4 and 543. You know very well, Lok Sabha, in the Lok Sabha, how many representatives, how many MPs? You have answered 543 and plus 2 which is nominated by the President of India. So 84 seats which reserved for scheduled caste and 47 seats which reserved for ST. Okay, now students, you have questions. Who are called scheduled caste? Dear children, which caste are untouchable in India is called scheduled caste. Now next question, who are called scheduled tribes? Scheduled tribes are the tribals of India who live in forest, who spend nomadic life. They have their own dressing styles, traditions, food and culture. Okay. Now the question rise, why reservation are given to some categories or scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Dear children, scheduled caste and scheduled tribes groups that have faced social and economic discrimination in the past. So our constitution of India given reservation of these groups. Similarly, it has more recently been suggested that there should be reservation of seats for women. Okay, the women's reservation bill 2008 passed in the Parliament of India, which proposed to reserve 33 33%. Okay, 33% of all seats in the lower house of the parliament which reserved for women. But for your kind information, at present time only just above 9% women who participate in the parliament. This is very small share when you consider the fact that half the population are women. So, dear children, thank you.